The sun rises over the Martian horizon. A soft, reddish light bathes the landscape. In the distance, a cluster of geodesic domes shimmers. This is Ari's colony, humanity's first permanent settlement on Mars. These domes are not sterile bubbles. Inside, life flourishes. Rows of crops bathed in the glow of artificial sunlight promise sustenance. Trees, carefully cultivated, reach for the dome's apex. This is no scientific outpost, it's a garden, a testament to human resilience. The air inside the domes thrums with activity. Astronauts in their sleek, modern spacesuits move with purpose. They are pioneers building a new world on this alien planet. Every action is imbued with the weight of history, the audacity of ambition. Outside the domes, the Martian landscape stretches, a vista of red dust, craters and distant mountains. The thin atmosphere does little to soften the sunlight, casting long, sharp shadows across the terrain. This is a harsh, unforgiving world, yet humanity has carved out a place for itself here. Two rovers, their robotic arms outstretched, trundle across the dusty surface. They leave behind them clear tracks marking their progress as they gather data, search for resources, and expand the colony's reach. Their metallic surfaces gleam under the Martian sun, symbols of human ingenuity. Near the rovers, an astronaut kneels, examining the Martian soil. He holds a device that hums softly, analyzing the composition of the red dust. He is searching for signs of life, for clues to the planet's past, for hope for the future. Every discovery is a victory. The astronaut straightens up, gazing towards the horizon. In the distance, a plume of dust rises, marking the progress of a convoy of vehicles. They are venturing further out, exploring the unknown, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Their spirit is indomitable. Above it all, in the deep crimson sky, hangs a small blue sphere. Earth, it seems impossibly distant, yet its presence is a constant reminder of home, of the billions of souls watching this daring endeavor unfold. It's a beacon, a symbol of hope. The astronaut turns back towards the dome, a sense of purpose filling him. There is so much work to be done, so much to learn, so much to achieve. But for now he allows himself a moment of quiet satisfaction. He is living the dream, a pioneer on a new world. As the sun begins to descend, casting long shadows across the Martian landscape, the domes begin to glow with a warm, inviting light. Inside, life continues, a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. Meals are shared, stories are told, and plans are made for the future. The colony is more than just a collection of buildings and machines. It is a community, a family, bound together by a shared sense of purpose and a common dream. They are the children of Earth, reaching for the stars. As the stars begin to appear in the Martian sky, the colonists gather. Their faces illuminated by the soft glow of their screens. They are sharing images and messages with loved ones back on Earth, bridging the gulf between two worlds. They are pioneers, but they are not alone. They are the future, and it is bright.